Hey guys, it's Green Ninja, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a colorful newspaper. So the first step is, well, it's not a step, but you'll need a stick of Elmer's glue, scissors, some markers, and 2 pieces of paper. The first thing is going to be the layout. The layout is where you put everything that's going to be in your newspaper, just like so. You'll need to cut out a piece big enough for the name. Well, first create a name of the title of your newspaper, and then cut out a little piece for your layout. And so you're going to put it right here, and then you'll trace it and then take it off. So you're going to make a whole bunch of these. Think of everything you want to put in your newspaper. Don't forget to make a catchy name, like the Daily Bugle or whatever you're going to call it. After that, you're going to start actually making. See, I made a bunch of cutouts for the real thing. Now, just place them on top of the Now, pick one to use. So you basically do this to all of your cards, depending on what they are. Can't wait to see what yours look like. Now you glue them back on.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Put you on the thumbs up. I'll meet you on the next video.